Today's term. Jot. 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 Meaning: to write something quickly. Sentence: don't forget to jot your homework in your diary before you leave school. Comment: use jot in your own sentence and comment. Idiom: in action. Put on your thinking cap. Meaning: to think seriously about something. Sentence: let's put on our thinking caps and solve this puzzle. Fill in the blank. Before starting the maths test, the teacher said, dash and do your best. Comment. Comment the correct answer below. Must share this video so that everyone can see and learn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more daily English. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.